If Figma is showing an error screen, freezing, or refusing to load your files, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix the issue step by step, whether you're using the desktop app or the web version. We'll start with the easiest test first, then move into cache clearing, refreshing, and connection checks so you can get back into your design work as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. First, switch to the Figma Web App and log in there. This is a quick way to check whether the problem is only happening in the desktop app or if it's affecting your account or file in general. Open your browser, go to Figma, and sign in with the same account you normally use. Try opening the file again. If the file loads in the browser, but not in the desktop app, that usually means the issue is local to the app itself, not your project. If you're using Windows and the desktop app is still giving you trouble, the next step is to clear the Figma desktop cache. Close Figma completely first. Then press Windows plus R to open the run box. Type %appdata %\Figma and press enter. Inside that folder, look for the desktop folder and the desktop profile folder. Delete both of those folders. This removes stored local app data that may be corrupted and causing the error screen. After that, reopen Figma and sign in again. In many cases, this alone fixes loading problems, blank screens, and stuck launch issues. If you're on a Mac, Figma gives you a built-in way to clear cache right from the app. Open Figma, go to Help, then Troubleshooting, and choose Clear Cache. If the app won't open properly, you may need to remove the support folder manually using Terminal. That can clear out the same kind of corrupted files that might be stopping the app from loading correctly. Once the cache is cleared, restart Figma and check whether the file opens normally. Now, if you're using Figma in the browser, do a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus R. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This forces the browser to reload Figma without using saved page data, which can help if the web app is stuck on an old or broken version of the page. Sometimes a simple hard refresh is all it takes to get the editor working again. If the error screen still appears, check your connection next. Make sure your firewall, antivirus, or VPN is not blocking port 443. That port is required for secure web traffic, and if it's blocked, Figma can run into server errors like 403 or 407, or fail to load altogether. If you're on a company or school network, try switching to another network or disabling the VPN temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. Also confirm that other websites and apps are working normally, since general network problems can also trigger Figma loading errors. At this point, one of these fixes should usually solve the problem. To recap, first test the web app, then clear the desktop cache if needed, hard refresh the browser version, and finally check your network and firewall settings. These steps cover the most common reasons Figma shows an error screen and won't load properly. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick fixes, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.